Today's gonna be an insanely busy day. I have to work on my tech product, I have to go to a tech conference, I have to go to the city in literally an hour for a meeting. So let's go.
We are using the Puck Video software to essentially emulate human behavior to go through that process. It's on the top, manage billing account.
So now the meeting's over and I'll see you all in the city. Right now I'm trying to find a place to sit down and work because the cafe that I just went to has no Wi-Fi. And if I'm gonna get these features in for my intern, so I need to get this working. That site currently looks like. We have my video, then we have some graphics, a curriculum. Nothing cool in terms of animation. It's pretty straightforward, but I would definitely like these reviews to actually stand out, right? We'll have some graphs, have some real case studies. Then we have the features right here. We have navbar, video benefits. These are all the core parts of the website, and they each have their own HTML/CSS associated with them. I'm going to the tech conference that I signed up for. It's my first time going to one of these. Check both ways. And I do not know what to expect. I met this other YouTuber named The Last Code Bender, and he told me that when you go to these places, you meet a lot of people, right? And some of them you can make businesses with. Some of them you can learn things from. There's recruiters at companies. There's a lot of people you can potentially meet. So there's a lot of opportunity. So of course I'm gonna go check it out and then see what's up. So I have absolutely no idea how much I can record and how cool people would be to be recorded. But the goal is hopefully I can meet one cool investor, maybe even two, find some two cool VCs, find a potential partner to help me with certain operations for some upcoming projects, including like a YouTube lead scraper, a crypto trading bot, as well as a stock trading bot. And finally, maybe just some developers who are enthusiastic about some projects just to work on. If you haven't already joined my Discord, which is my tech club, be sure to check the link in the description below and join it. All right, it's almost time to go. I'm gonna wrap things up. Alright, we've made it to the event, well at least the hallway to the event, pretty long hallway. And now we go to the 11th floor, that's where the event is being held at. Actually, a lot of people here. So far I've talked to one person, maybe two. Try to talk to more and see what happens.
We have some incredible mentors who we'll shout out in just a second. But I had 3 people. I did not do this alone. I'm standing up here with one microphone, but there were 4 people.
Clients for different companies you're working with. You said you built NLP models and causal models. So you're not doing deep learning. So you don't need to build that.
Keymate, AI memory management for professionals. We launched Keymate in July of 2023, and in 1 month, we are one of the top plugins in ChatGPT's plugin store.
Studio offers various monetization tools. For example, you can book musicians for live performances, brand deals.
That you download from the App Store. In terms of the acquisition strategy, as I mentioned,
I would like to say my day is over, but that would be a lie. I still have to do some coding, but I was playing a little bit of Fortnite just now. Yeah, I'm guilty. But now I'm going to do a little bit of late night coding just to get some features out. Just released a post to promote my SaaS. A lot of new users are joining these SaaS, and to incentivize more of them, I've been telling them that, hey, if you guys react more within the community, I'll be launching more discount codes that you guys can use to get the software for a discounted price. And it's a great way to drive new customers to your product.